In the vast modern pig ranches of the Midwest, the complete journey of pure pork hot dogs begins with carefully raised pigs in large-scale, well-managed farming operations. Every morning, thousands of pigs receive fresh, balanced feed across the massive ranch to ensure they grow healthy and strong for high-quality pork production. These modern barns maintain perfect temperature, ventilation, and hygiene so the pigs grow uniformly and stay healthy throughout their time on the ranch.
This one's skin looks good. Let's get the weight. Scanner says 220 pounds. I'll log it. Okay, this group is clear. Direct them to the loading area.
In the peaceful, quiet fields of the American Midwest, on the long journey of every hot dog we eat begins right here on these commercial farms where careful farming practices lay the foundation for high-quality meat production. Every single day, fresh and nutritious feed is carefully delivered to the animals to ensure they grow strong and healthy, because only the best quality livestock can produce the premium meat required for making delicious hot dogs. The loaded livestock trucks now travel smoothly on the highway, heading towards the state-of-the-art processing plant where the next important stages of hot dog production will take place. After their short journey from the farm, the pigs arrive safely at the modern meat processing facility where they are carefully unloaded into clean holding pens before the next stages begin.
Through the chute. Good.
This marks the important moment when the animals enter the modern factory, where the real transformation process from raw livestock to finished hot dogs officially begins under strict food safety standards. The humane stunning process is carried out to prepare the pigs for further processing while maintaining the highest welfare and food safety standards. Inside the facility, the pigs are gently moved through controlled chutes toward the first processing stage in a calm and humane manner.
Chute clear, proceed.
Precise bleeding is done at this stage to ensure the highest quality and maintain strict food safety standards for the pork used in hot dogs. The carcasses enter the scalding tanks where hot water loosens the hair and prepares the skin for the next cleaning steps. This is the modern industrial facility where pigs from local farms are transformed into high-quality hot dogs using advanced processing technology. Trained workers begin their shift, maintaining the highest hygiene and safety protocols throughout the entire hot dog production process. Every worker follows strict personal protective equipment procedures before entering the production areas to ensure the pork remains completely safe for hot dog manufacturing. Welcome to the heart of the facility where the detailed transformation of pork into hot dogs truly takes place under one continuous controlled environment. Trained workers begin their shift, maintaining the highest hygiene and safety protocols throughout the entire hot dog production process.
After dehairing, the carcasses enter the singeing station where controlled flames remove any remaining fine hairs, preparing the pork skin for further cleaning and ensuring the highest quality meat for hot dog production.
Automated polishing and brushing stations thoroughly clean the carcass surface, removing any last traces of hair and preparing the pure pork for the next critical processing stages. The entire process flows seamlessly from one stage to another, ensuring efficiency and quality at every step of hot dog production from pure pork. Trained inspectors carefully check every carcass for quality and safety, maintaining the strictest standards so only the best pork is selected for hot dog manufacturing. The carcasses are now split and prepared for evisceration, where internal organs are removed in a controlled manner, separating the high-quality meat that will become hot dogs.
Check this one for skin tears.
Looks good. No defects here.
Approved. It's clean.
The carcasses now pass through an intensive washing tunnel using high-pressure water and approved sanitizers to ensure complete cleanliness before further processing into hot dog meat. The split carcasses now enter the rapid chilling rooms where temperatures are carefully lowered to preserve freshness and maintain the highest meat quality standards essential for producing safe and delicious pork hot dogs. Proper chilling is critical at this core stage as it firms the pork meat, prevents bacterial growth, and ensures the texture and safety required for premium hot dog production. In the core processing stage, chilled carcasses are broken down into primal cuts by skilled workers, separating the best quality pork meat that will be used specifically for hot dogs. In the core processing stage, chilled carcasses are broken down into primal cuts by skilled workers, separating the best quality pork meat that will be used specifically for hot dogs. In the core processing stage, chilled carcasses are broken down into primal cuts by skilled workers, separating the best quality pork meat that will be used specifically for hot dogs. In the core processing stage, chilled carcasses are broken down into primal cuts by skilled workers, separating the best quality pork meat that will be used specifically for hot dogs.
Keep it lean, sword trimmings. Dispatch to grinding.
Careful trimming and sorting ensure that only the best lean pork meat proceeds, maintaining consistent quality and texture that defines a good hot dog. In the main transformation stage, the ground pork is carefully blended with fat, ice water, salt, and secret spice blends in large industrial mixers to create the perfect base for classic hot dog texture and flavor. High-speed emulsifiers now break down the mixture into a fine, creamy batter. This step is essential to create the signature smooth, snappy texture of real pork hot dogs that we enjoy. Using powerful vacuum stuffers, the smooth pork emulsion is injected into casings to form long ropes, removing all air pockets so the hot dogs cook evenly and have perfect density. The linking machine now precisely forms individual hot dogs by twisting the filled casings at exact intervals, creating the uniform size and shape we see in the final packaged product. Inside the industrial smokehouse, the hot dogs are gently cooked and infused with real wood smoke, developing that classic savory flavor and firm bite characteristic of premium pork hot dogs. Precise cooking followed by rapid chilling locks in the flavor, sets the texture, and brings the internal temperature to safe levels while preparing the hot dogs for peeling. The final major transformation step, automatic peeling, removes the temporary casings, revealing beautiful, smooth, ready-to-eat pure pork hot dogs that are now complete in form and ready for final inspection. High-tech automated vision systems now scan every single hot dog at high speed, using cameras and sensors to detect even the smallest imperfections and ensure only perfect pure pork hot dogs move forward in production. Advanced metal detectors and X-ray systems perform critical food safety checks, removing any risk of contamination so that only the safest pure pork hot dogs reach consumers. Automated grading systems now sort the hot dogs by precise length and weight, maintaining strict consistency that is essential for high-quality hot dog packaging and customer satisfaction. High-speed flow wrappers now automatically package the hot dogs in clear plastic film, sealing them hygienically and preparing them for the final boxing stage in this fully automated system. Robotic case packing systems efficiently place the wrapped hot dogs into boxes at incredible speed, reducing human handling while maintaining perfect hygiene and accuracy in the production line. The final automated system builds complete pallets of hot dog cases, applying stretch wrap for stability and preparing them for storage and distribution from the factory. These advanced automation systems complete the high-tech stage, efficiently moving finished pure pork hot dogs from the production line to storage, ensuring speed, safety, and consistency throughout the entire process.
This one has a minor wrinkle. Let's pull it. Okay, removing it now. Next one looks good. Approved.
Automated high-speed labeling machines now apply accurate labels containing all necessary information, ensuring every pack of pure pork hot dogs meets regulatory and branding standards. Precision inkjet systems print essential date and batch codes on every package, maintaining full traceability from farm to finished pure pork hot dog product. The finishing lines now bundle the hot dogs into consumer-ready groups with an extra protective film layer, giving the product its final retail-ready appearance. Automated weight verification systems perform final precision checks to ensure every case contains the exact number of hot dogs before leaving the production floor.
Line check complete. All cases verified. Copy that. Approaching warehouse doors.
At the quality control station, trained technicians randomly sample finished hot dogs from multiple batches to begin rigorous testing.
Every product meets the highest food safety and quality standards.
Taking these to the lab now. In the microbiology laboratory, scientists test hot dog samples for harmful bacteria and pathogens, ensuring the product is completely safe for consumption as per international food safety regulations. Chemical analysis confirms the exact composition, fat content, protein, salt, and curing levels, so every batch of pure pork hot dogs meets nutritional labeling and quality specifications. Packaging integrity and shelf life tests ensure the hot dogs remain fresh and safe throughout their entire distribution journey from factory to consumer. After completing all laboratory tests and quality checks, the senior quality team gives final approval, confirming that this batch of pure pork hot dogs meets every strict standard before leaving the facility. Complete documentation and traceability systems record every detail from farm to finished product, maintaining full transparency and accountability in hot dog production. In the final phase, completed cases of pure pork hot dogs are automatically stretch wrapped and labeled on pallets, securing them perfectly for storage and long-distance transportation.
The finished pallets are now stored in the climate-controlled warehouse where temperature and humidity are strictly maintained to keep the pure pork hot dogs fresh until they reach stores and consumers. The finished pallets of pure pork hot dogs are carefully loaded into refrigerated trucks, ready to begin their journey from the factory to distribution centers and retail stores. With every safety and quality check completed, the trucks now dispatch the fresh hot dogs across the country, completing the full journey from farm to consumer. And this is how modern factories produce pure pork hot dogs from start to finish.
Subscribe for more real factory breakdowns.